This is a brief video on how to search for library material located in the Alamance Community College Library. To locate the library's catalog from the Alamance Community College homepage, please click on Quick Links, and under Quick Links, under General, the fourth link down, select Library. This is the library's homepage, and the easiest way to get to the catalog to search for books or DVDs or any sort of library material is to simply click on the Search the Catalog icon. And once you've done that, that takes you to our catalog page, and there's a number of different ways that you can search our catalog. It does default to words or phrase, so basically a keyword search. Always stick to very basic keywords or a very short phrase, but you can also search the catalog by author or title, even the subject or series, or even a periodical title, which is basically a magazine or a journal title that we have in print in our library. Generally speaking, when you're searching a catalog, you're going to be searching by keyword. So my suggestion is to think about your topic and think about the terms that best represent your topic. So let's say, for example, I want to find books or DVDs on juvenile diabetes. So I'll simply just type in juvenile diabetes, and you can see I've already typed that in before. And then click on search, and we'll see how much material we found. So I actually found 7 titles in that search, which is plenty of information. And you can see how up at the top, the most newly published information is going to be at the top of your list of results, and the older information is going to be at the bottom. Generally speaking, for most topics, unless you're writing on something or researching on something historical, you want to look for information that's been published in the last 5 years. So the top result would be a really good one, diabetes and endocrine disorders. So I'm going to click on that, and that takes you to the brief catalog record. So it just gives you the title information, the author, the publisher of this particular book. It's 64 pages, so it's a really short book. It's not going to go into a great amount of depth, but nonetheless helpful information. And the thing to bear in mind if you're looking at the catalog from home and you're trying to find books for your assignments or your research project, just make sure that you write down the Library of Congress call number. It's basically the number that you'll see, the RC 660.5.S54. And that helps us locate that item on the shelf. So, and if you have the title and the Library of Congress call number, that makes our job a lot easier when you come into the library to retrieve the book. Also, I do want to point out there's a hyperlink to the catalog record. And if you click on that and scroll down, generally there will be a table of contents or an abstract. So the table of contents are just title chapters that are in the book, and sometimes that can help you, determine if this is going to be a really helpful book for my project or my paper. And the abstract is wonderful as well, because that'll give you a summary of what the book is about, so that can be very helpful as well. Going back up to the top, and whenever you're navigating our catalog, instead of clicking on the back button of the browser, which you want to avoid doing, just simply click on the Go Back link in the green bar. That takes you right back to your search results. And so that is a very quick and dirty on using our catalog. If you have any questions about retrieving information from the library catalog, reach out to a librarian in the Alamance Community College Library. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.